could talk to her, I'd tell her everything I know and everything I've learned. What I found out the hard way might save her some tears, so I'd share with her the wisdom of all my 16 years. If I had a little sister, that's what I'd do. I'd say go easy on the makeup and easy on yourself. Yeah, don't believe the grapevine, it's got nothing good to sell. Fast forward past the drama, smile and walk on through, and you'll always measure up if you compare yourself to you. If I had a little sister, that's what I'd do. And love with all that you have, 'cause all that you have is right here, right now. And dream as big as the sky, then bring it to life, 'cause the one thing I've found is time is all you can't take back. Don't go up too fast. Well, this next part is my favorite, 'cause it's about